Master your mind. Unleash the power of focused and diffuse thinking to supercharge your learning. Ready to level up your learning game? Get this, your brain has two incredible modes of thinking, focused and diffuse. Mastering these two can turn you into a learning superhero, capable of deep understanding and out-of-the-box problem solving. Let's dive into how these modes work and how you can make them your secret weapons. Focused thinking, laser-focused brilliance. Focused thinking is all about dialing in, tuning out distractions, and zeroing in on the task at hand. This is your brain's power mode for tackling tough problems or drilling into complex topics. Think of it like a mental magnifying glass that sharpens your understanding. What it's great for: mastering the basics and building a strong foundation. Cracking tough problems with precision. For example, use this mode when you're studying for an exam, taking detailed notes, or solving math problems that make your brain sweat. Diffuse thinking, daydreaming genius. Now let's flip the switch. Diffuse thinking is where the magic of creativity happens. It's your brain's way of connecting the dots while you're chilling, daydreaming, or even taking a walk. Your mind wanders, ideas collide, and bam, creative sparks fly. What it's great for: unlocking innovative ideas you didn't know were hiding. Breaking through mental blocks when you're stuck. You've probably felt it when you have a eureka moment in the shower. A brilliant idea strikes during a casual stroll, or a solution clicks while binge-watching your favorite show. Want to unlock your full potential? Combine focused and diffuse thinking in your study routine. Here's how. 1. Kick things off with focused thinking. Dive into your textbooks, practice problems, or lecture notes like a pro. Go all in. 2. Shift to diffuse thinking with breaks. After a power session, take a breather. Go for a walk, doodle, or let your mind wander. Trust us, your brain is still working its magic. 3. Cycle like a champ. Alternate between focused, 25 minutes of intense work, and diffuse, 5 minutes of relaxation modes. This rhythm keeps your brain fresh and ideas flowing. 4. Visualize for victory. Sketch it, map it, or create mental pictures of concepts. Visualization bridges the gap between your two thinking modes. 5. Practice deliberate learning. Tackle big topics bit by bit. Master each piece, then let diffuse thinking help you connect the dots for a big picture understanding. Why this works? By teaming up focused and diffuse thinking, you're giving your brain the best of both worlds: structured focus and creative exploration. This dynamic duo enhances your learning, boosts your creativity, and helps you solve even the trickiest problems like a pro. So friends, what are you waiting for? Start switching up your thinking modes and watch your brain power soar.